Hey, what's up, guys? We're playing Roblox. And today, I'm Superman. You see this? Right there. Woohoo! Whoa! Oh my goodness, who's controlling this thing? Where is it launching? Oh my goodness! Dude, my rocket! Who? Oh my goodness! This is awesome! Oh crap! Oh crap! Whoa, that was cool! That was so cool! We'll have a missile. Guys, and you have noticed I don't have this, but I can fly like Superman. So, hey, we're gonna attack some people. I got this. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Boom. Oh, that's my team. Don't shoot right at me. Don't shoot at yourselves. Don't shoot at yourselves. Okay. Kinda want that missile again. We go all the way up. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Let me see. I don't know if I can do the missile again. Wait. I think I can fly to the red planet. Let's fly to the other planet. Dude, there it is. Okay. We're gonna fly it. Guys, let me know in the comments what is gonna happen when we go to this planet. Guys, we're living at this tycoon is slowly disappearing. God, wait, where's the planet? There it is, guys. There's a planet. Guys, and so for somehow my dinosaur knows how to fly, so I'm not gonna spoil anything. And guys, comment below what's gonna happen if I go to this planet. Because I was little and I built all of my tycoon. So leave a note in the comments. And guys, I need a lot of likes so I don't die in this planet. Just leave a like. So many likes. We're getting the point that we're almost close. Slow. Dude, there's a planet. I just need to go up. Are we going up, by the way? I think we are. Hi. This is hard. The only way to do it is by clicking it. Hey guys, we almost made it. We almost made it. No. I don't want to buy that. Guys, we almost made it. We almost made it to the planet. It's almost like Mars or... Okay, guys. This is the moment of truth. Come on, dude. I am so close right now. I'm like a spaceship. And dude, there's another one. Yeah, I think that's Uranus. Dude, this is all the way. I can only go up at this moment. I can't go any higher. Just go higher. I'm trying to go higher. Are we going up? I think so. Okay, guys. This is not working. Oh no! That was for an accident. Oh no, my dino just died. Oh no! Dude, there's the planet. There's the planet. So let's buy some stuff, okay? So I do have a lot of money. No, I don't want gems. 300. Dude, I still don't have enough money. Bummer! Look at No. He just got killed. Oh no, I don't have any clones. My clones, come on! Oh, one clone just got out. Just got out. Come on. Dude, he literally Oh, no, he didn't. Okay. Okay, dude, I'm not even controlling anything. I'm just watching. And then, after that, dude, you know that it's poison. Dude, I just took out someone, but they killed me right away. Okay, guys, I killed them both. Killed them both! Okay, I got one. And guys, leave comment down below what should I play next, because I was playing Amazing Frog and Peace Battle Simulator. If you haven't seen those videos, go check them out right now. And subscribe and turn on notifications. What should I play next? Oh my goodness. And guys, leave so many likes, because I'm getting absolutely just wrecked. My clones are just getting wrecked. Oh crap, the baby. Take that. Take that. Okay, I killed one. Poisonous. Boing, 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 boing. Dude, they literally just killed me. Kill me. No, I don't want the ones that. Oh no, that is the only one, or is there? And I don't know how to aim. You see, guys? I think there's another planet. Let's just check real quick. Oh, I don't see no planet. Oh no. Oh no. Oh crap. Okay, I want to do it again. I want to do it again. No, I don't want that one. Or shooting. Oh no, 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 no. No. Oh crap, the baby. Yeah, the baby. Are you serious? He literally just killed me. Okay, okay, okay. Boom. Boom. Oh no, he killed mine. Oh crap. No, 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 no. He literally just killed me again. Oh, the baby killed him. Okay. I'm just gonna protect these guys. What are you doing? Are you turning this way, that way, this way, that, and that way? Come on, Jules! Stop playing! This is a battle. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Oh, we got absolutely just wrecked. So guys, after this, I think I'm gonna play another game. It's called Water Park. So leave so many likes so I can play. And comment down below what should I play. What should I play now? Amazing Frog, Peace Battle Simulator, or Peace Battle Simulator, Roblox, or Minecraft. I do have Minecraft or Roblox. So leave call me. What should I do next? What should I play next? And guys, oh no, I think I'm going to do that, and I'm gonna buy stuff because I have a lot of money, as you see right here. So what should I buy? Okay, I'll buy. Oh, wait. What the? Whoa! What the heck is that thing? Okay, guys, we gotta see that right now. I spent a lot of money on that. Dude, tell me, what the heck is this? Whoa! What the? No, I don't have no Robux. Let's just fly, and somehow my dino is. Sorry, guys. And somehow my rocket is back. My rocket. Okay, maybe I could use this. Yeah, it's finally working. Guys, we're going to the red planet. Why is it going this way? Okay, okay, guys. I'm gonna explode the red planet. Okay, I can't explode the. Oh, dude. Oh crap! I'm about to explode myself. Woo! Whoa! Whoa! That was cool, guy. That was cool. You gotta admit that was pretty cool. So, guys, I got What do you have? Do you like? I mean, do you like? Do you like that one? This one? Or this one? I gotta admit, the jet from here looks super cool. So Superman is just gonna do it. So we're gonna travel. Wait. Where are the planets? I think I can go more. Dude, what the? Oh, dude, I thought that somebody was following me. Guys, dude, where are the planets? So guys, I'm gonna stop there. I hope you enjoy. If you did, as always, feel free to hit that thumbs up button. And I'll subscribe already. And I will see you guys in the next Roblox. Oh crap, I jumped off. Oh no, my rocket! No!